Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through a simple static study in SOLIDWORKS Simulation. This tutorial is part of the training with ABBK Tunisia, a program that supports engineers by providing courses and certifications. Today's exercise will focus on analyzing the stress at the spot that displaces the most. We have the material, we have both faces labeled A are fixed, and we have a force of 1120 newtons on the face labeled B pushing it downwards. We will use the high quality mesh with the default settings. We will first check the spot that has the greatest displacement, then we'll review the stress at that specific spot. So let's get started. As you can see, the model is ready. You can download it from the description. So let's create a new static study and get going. We can now apply the material. So it is the 1020 material. Now we can define the fixtures. So we have both faces labeled A are fixed geometry. And now we can move on to the force. So we have a force of 1120 newtons on the face labeled B pushing it downwards. The study setup is complete and we can create the mesh. Let's make sure it is of high quality and create. The mesh is now ready and we're good to go, so let's run the study. And here we go, we can see the stress distribution across the model. So we need to find the spot that has the greatest displacement. So let's go to the displacement plot. Let's see the show max annotation. And here we can see the node that displaces the most. So let's go to plot tools and probe to find the node number. Here we go, we see here the node number, so let's remember it. Now, in order to see the stress at that specific node, let's go back to the stress plot. Let's set it in newtons per millimeter squared. Let's set the notation as floating and with 5 decimal places. Now let's go back to probe. Let's select add node number. We have the number. And here we can see the stress value at that specific node.